What's good, man? Welcome to the video. Your darling influencer here, and today back at it with another YouTube video. In this video I will be showing you how to make money using TubeBuddy Chrome extension. If you wanna make money, there are two things you have to do. The first being subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you are actually the first to be notified. The second being check out this playlist which I dedicated just to you so you can start making money online. Without wasting any time, let's get into this video. So you're probably asking yourself, what is TubeBuddy? TubeBuddy is a Chrome extension which helps you and I grow our YouTube channels. So you're asking yourself, what does that have to do with helping you make money? Well, you can make money using TubeBuddy, but a lot of people don't know how to. Basically, what everyone does is that they go onto TubeBuddy, sign up for the affiliate program, and start sharing their affiliate link with their friends and family. Well, I hate to be the one to tell you, but this isn't going to work. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to make money on TubeBuddy the right way. And for the purpose of this video, I have created another account with my brother's details, and right now I will be showing you my brother's earnings so far. So now that you know what is TubeBuddy, let me show you all my brother's earnings so far.
So to install TubeBuddy, what you're going to go ahead and do is click on this link you see right here, which says grow your YouTube channel, and it will be in the description of this video. What you're going to do is going to click on it and it'll take you right to this page. If you are on your desktop or your laptop, then you can click on install extension, but if you want to install the mobile app, then you'll have to click on, it will show you somewhere that you should install this app on the App Store or Google Play Store. So you have to click on Google Play or Chrome Store. Once you have done that, then you have to go ahead and sign up for the affiliate program. After you have signed up for affiliate program, then it will show you your earnings for this month, the last month, and your lifetime earnings. So I'm just going to show you how much I have made on my brother's account because I can't show you my main account. So guys, this is my brother's current earnings for this month so far. So as y'all can see, there's not been any purchase for this month. Last month we had 2 purchases, as y'all can see there by lifetime, because I haven't been focusing on this TubeBuddy account. For the purpose of this video, last month I got 2 purchases and made us $5. So let me show y'all something really quick. So this is our affiliate levels. So our affiliate levels determine if we're going to get paid. As y'all, why is Melo keep sending messages? As y'all can see, a standard affiliate get 30% commission. So if we sell a TubeBuddy license, legendary TubeBuddy license, for example, if it's $39, we are going to get 30% of $39. And if you sell the $5 one, you're going to get 30% of the $5. So that's how much I have made there. So as you all can see, if you get 50 people to install, then you can apply to become a VIP affiliate, and VIP affiliate gets 40% commission, 1 year free license upgrade for yourself, and no minimum payout. And one thing I forgot to say about the standard affiliate is that when you're a standard affiliate, you can't cash out until you get to $10. So as you all can see, I had $5 right there. So which means if I had $5, I can cash out until I make $10. But once I get 50 people to install, then I can cash out anytime using my PayPal account. And if you get 250 people to install TubeBuddy, and then you can become a super affiliate, which means you get 50% of the commission, no minimum payout, and free lifetime legend upgrade for yourself. So guys, basically once you have done all that, then you're going to get this code, your affiliate link, which you should share with people, so that when people click your affiliate link and install TubeBuddy and buy licenses, you get paid. So you're going to just copy that link address. You will mostly see this in my descriptions. This is my main one, this is not my brother's one, so I'm going to use my main one for this video. So let's go to Instagram. So guys, what we're going to do is that we're going to go into Instagram and go to the search tab. What you're going to search for is that we're going to search for a sub tab. So may tag, many people use this, and this is against YouTube's community guidelines. Please don't do sub for sub. We are just going to go here just so that we can get people. So basically what we'll be saying is we're going to write sub for sub. And as y'all can see, I'm using my old account because our accounts can get blocked. So and then what we do is that we wait to get a message. So let's wait.
5 minutes later.
So guys, I think we just received a message from one of the guys who sent sub for sub. So this is what we're going to do. Going to the I'm down, send your link. We can do a sub for sub too if you want. I don't know what's that, but I'm just going to say, okay, I'm about to send my link. About to send my link. Then we're gonna post the we're gonna write something like, I just wanted to let you know, bro. So this is going to automatically tell him that, oh, I can grow my YouTube channel fast. He's going to click on the link. Once he clicks on the link, he's gonna get the license. Once he gets the license, what you're going to do is that you are going to automatically, TubeBuddy is going to automatically let you know that people are installing installing TubeBuddy Chrome extension and using your link, which means you can make more money. So once they purchase, you are starting to make more money. So basically you'll do that for everyone who wants to do sub for sub. You'll just do that, write something along those lines, do this over and over, then you'll get people purchase TubeBuddy using your link.
I just want to make it clear that if you have a YouTube channel, don't do sub for sub, as it is against YouTube's community guidelines. Rather grow organically like I did. The only reason which we are using Instagram to grow our TubeBuddy accounts is because these small YouTubers are trying to grow their YouTube channels fast, and what we are going to tell them is that if they purchase a TubeBuddy license, they will grow faster, as the TubeBuddy features will help them optimize their videos to get more views. And basically them buying a TubeBuddy license will make you and I money, and you don't have to tell them this, but please advise them that they must stop doing sub for sub and rather grow organically, as sub for sub is against YouTube's community guidelines. Go down in the comment section of this video if you have any questions, and I will do my best to answer. And as y'all know, Dollar Influencer, I'm out. Peace.